Hello guys, today I want to present to you my unboxing and first impression on my new case for my Zfold 6. It is an original S Pen phone case from Samsung. Okay, as you can see, it costs around 85 to $90 around the world and especially in my country. But I'm very lucky to get it for only around $55 from Taobao, China. Okay, I got the blue one, okay, with a pink S Pen because as you know, my Z Fold 6 is also blue. Okay, for me, this is the best slim case for your Z Fold 6, especially if you really need an S Pen. You don't need to buy it separately. You can carry it everywhere with you in the case. Still, I wish Samsung design the S Pen slot for the Z Fold itself. Okay, so let's look around the box. Okay, as you can see, Samsung logo. Here is the blue color with a pink S Pen or some kind of yellow. Okay, it's the original one. As you can see, it's validated. Okay, let's look inside. Up. Okay, a lot of paper. Okay, here is the some kind of Samsung paper. Okay, okay, okay. Here is the let's see. Okay, here it is. Okay, that's all. Here you see the tip of the S Pen. You have two extra tip. Okay, which is very nice. Okay, and here is the case itself. This is the front part. Okay, there is some sticker alongside, as you can see here, some blue sticker to stick into the front, because if you don't use it, you will feel the front feel very flimsy, especially on this smaller size. Okay, here is the back. Okay, as you can see, it feel it's not too thick, as you can see. It's very slim. Okay, it feel very nice. Okay, and here is the slide to pop up the S Pen. Okay, here the S Pen with a button, as you can see, Samsung logo there. Okay, oop, here Samsung logo. There's a cutout for the USB Type C and the fingerprint scanner and the volume rocker. Some slot for the microphone. Okay, oop. Let's remove this. Slide to put on this. Remove it. Boom. Okay. Okay. Here is the S Pen. Okay, the tip is rubberized, so it's screen friendly with the Z Fold 6. Okay, it's a slot. So let's try it on my Z Fold 6. Let's get it on. Okay. Wow. As you can see, it add a little bit of the thickness to the phone, but not too much. And there is some camera protection, as you can see, very minimal camera protection. Okay, but it feel very solid, feel very premium, feel very good. Okay, let's try the front part. I'm sorry that I'm not going to peel off the sticker because there is some several cases coming, so I got to test it later. Wow, it's look good. It add very minimal bulk to the phone, but not too much, and it has a lip screen front screen protection, as you can see, which is very nice. Let's open it up. Boom. Wow, it look good. Okay. Okay. So the only two wish that I had for this case is number one is the hinge protection. Okay, it's better to have a 360 cover protection better than left the hinge left open like this, so the dust is going in to collect into that. And number two, I wish that it has a kickstand. Okay, I wish it had a kickstand. You can see there is a left space here. Samsung could design something like a kickstand over there, so you can pop it up your Z Fold 6, because this phone is a great phone for reading and multimedia. Okay? And if you can pop it up, have a kickstand everywhere, it's really make your Z Fold 6 experience even better. So hope you guys have a nice weekend, and goodbye.